crazy lineup from tourers to cruisers to an adventure sport to a street fighter. That's a crazy bike. That's the owner Shahzad, and wow, that's a crazy machine. That's the V4, and wow, that's crazy. All these carbon fiber parts and all that looks just awesome. Look at the bike. I hope I'm doing justice, but I'll get more shots with it. Triumph, Kawasaki's, that's the crazy Hornet 900, one of the best sounding engines by Honda and best engines by Honda, and that's our baby Scarlett. But what a beauty. I'll make you hear the exhaust when she starts the bike, and it's a crazy sounding exhaust. We also have an RE Continental GT and many more. So you all seen the lineup, guys. Some crowd catcher here. Let's rock and roll. So hope you all like the lineup, guys. Some crazy machines today. We have a cruiser, we have a street fighter, we have an adventure tourer, we have a tourer, we have everything possible today. I hope you all love the bikes, and I hope you all love this ride today. So if you are enjoying some rides like this, do hit the thumbs up button, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, to get much more content like this coming up your way with all the super bikes possible. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Look at these two beauties side by side, a German and an Italian, and backed by a Japanese motorcycle. What a lineup, guys, what a lineup. That's Oswald. He's come all the way from UK. He stays in Scotland. He's shifted recently and he's come down, and see the energy this guy has, man. Crazy energy to come down a couple of days back and mark on the motorcycle just to enjoy these Sunday rides. Wonderful thing to capture, guys. That's the street fighter coming from behind, and let us take some clips of the street fighter turning. Can you hear the V4 engine roar? Crackles all the way. Feels like the Diwali is here. Look at the crackles. What a lineup, guys. What a lineup. All the way. Crazy lineup. Look at the V4 stand here. Already. Say hi to Shazu. Say hi. That's it, man. Oh, that's Oswald. That's Arzan. If you all want to hear or learn any Parsi bad words, he's the right guy to teach you and give you all great tutorials over Parsi cars and everything. So look at the fleet coming from behind. Open roads, perfect super bikes. What more do you need? I don't know if you all saw the kids on the scooter over there. They had a big smile looking at all these sports bikes. That's, I think, when I started getting love at that age for super bikes, and that's when I had in mind that do anything in life, just work so hard that at least one super bike in my life is what I want to own. And thank you God, thank you my parents, thank you my wife for always supporting me with all this, and my parents to support me with all this, and thank you God, you've always been great, kind and helpful, and I'm sure you're always with me, and you were always with me also. So thank you God for everything. Follow my Instagram ID. Go follow my Instagram ID. The link is below and the ID is flashing on the screen right away. So go follow that. Also pause the video and come back and enjoy this clip.